Fresh ripe mangoes on a supermarket shelf. Now trace how they came from tropical orchards.
Estos mangos están perfectos para la exportación.
Sí, y hay muchos más por recoger.
Your mango bowl ready to eat. Watch every step from planting, seedling to store sale.
Mango saplings just planted in nursery beds, the beginning of a future harvest.
Transplanting young mango trees into orchard rows, setting up for future harvests.
Healthy soil means a healthy yield this season.
And the moisture levels are perfect.
Early fruit set. Tiny mango buds growing on tree branches among green leaves.
Harvest time begins. Workers handpick mature mangoes carefully to preserve quality.
Keep them coming. We need this truck loaded by noon.
Okay, I'll put this one right here.
¡Ánimo, muchachos! ¡Apuren el paso! Tengan cuidado ahí.
Sí, ya casi terminamos.
Grading mangoes by size and maturity tenurios, preparing for export grade or local market packing. Packing export grade mangoes into ventilated cartons, careful stacking to avoid bruising.
Labeling cartons with origin, variety, batch number, traceability for export shipments.
Pre-cooling mango cartons to remove field heat. Load. First step for extended shelf life. Export paperwork and compliance check, phytosanitary certificates, origin certificate, packing list prepared.
Cold chain tracking. Sensors and logs record temperature and humidity for each shipment. Home kitchen unboxing. Mango unpacked, washed, and ready to eat or cook. Fresh mango sliced and served. Juicy flesh visible under natural lighting. Ready to eat.
Leftover peels and stone cores composted. Sustainable waste recycling for orchard soil.
New sapling planting with compost soil. Sustainable orchard cycle begins again.
Irrigation maintenance in orchard, drip, or sprinkler systems, keeping soil moisture during dry season.
Pest and disease monitoring. Caucasian female workers inspect leaves and fruit, removing infected parts to preserve crop health. Harvest scheduling plan. mapping orchard blocks by maturity for organized picking batches.
Quality assurance, heat treatment or hot water treatment for export mangoes to eliminate pests and prolong shelf life.
Batch traceability system. Each mango crate tagged with farm code, harvest date, packing date for consumer transparency.
Export-ready grading, sorting mangoes by variety, size, and ripeness to meet import market specs.
Overseas arrival cold storage. Imported mango crates stored under regulated temperature before retail distribution.
Export market packaging innovation. Ventilated fiberboard cartons with cushioning to minimize bruising during transit.
Sustainable farm spotlight. Organic fertilizing, composting, and environment-friendly farming practices for mango orchards.
Balances. We make sure every mango is picked.
My guys, we grade this and perfectly right.
My job is to ensure only the best ones make it through the line.
Processing surplus mango into dried or canned mango products. Alternate supply chain for excess fruit.
Congratulations, team. Here's to the first mango export and many more to come.
Here, try this one.
Wow, that is incredibly good.
Fertilizer application. Compost spread around mango tree bases to boost growth naturally.
Blossom close-up. Delicate mango flowers signaling coming harvest season.
First tine fruit sets. Small green mangoes forming after flowering.
Harvest readiness inspection. Workers check skin color and fruit firmness to mark ripe trees.
The morning harvest is looking good.
We have plenty for the market today.
Careful with that one, it's heavy.
Yes, stacking them now.
Check the manifest against the batch tags on the top crates. Make sure they match before you move them to Section 4.
Fruit washing zone. Mangoes rinsed gently to clean dust and sap before sorting.
Quality control station. Each mango checked for bruises, blemishes, shape, and firmness.
Size grading line. Mangoes sorted according to size and weight for uniform packaging. Packing for export. Mangoes layered with cushioning in ventilated cartons ready for shipment. Labeling crates. Origin, variety, harvest, and packing date printed on export cartons for traceability. Pre-cooling room. Packed mango cartons enter chilling tunnel to drop field heat quickly.
Inventory scanning. Each pallet logged into warehouse database for tracking shipments.
We're good here. Are the others ready to go?
Yes, they're on their way over now.
Cold chain sensor activation home. Temperature and humidity logger attached to export pallet before sealing container.
Seal is secure, temperature check passed.
Quality looks excellent on these. Temperature is right on target.
Make sure the date stamp is clear on those trays.
Yes, I just calibrated the gun. These mangoes look excellent today.
Serving mango fruit bowl. Vibrant slices ready to eat. Ideal for recipe, smoothie, or direct snack. Leftover skins and pits composted. Sustainable waste practice for orchard soil enrichment.
Using compost soil drench. Compost from mango waste spread in orchard for next planting cycle.
The phosphorus levels are lower than expected here.
Yes, the chart confirms it. We need to adjust the fertilization blend for the next crop.
Irrigation maintenance post-harvest. Drip lines cleaned and tested before next rainy season.
Block A is on schedule. Block B, though, we might need to shift crew 2 earlier, depending on the weather.
Look here, this branch is broken. Yes, it seems the animals got to it again.
Packaging drop test. Packed mango cartons drop from defined height to test transport durability. Worker spotlight. Meet orchard pickers, packhouse staff, transport crew behind every mango export.
Sustainable packaging trial. Eco-friendly ventilated fiberboard cartons for mango export, tested for airflow and durability.
Supply chain infographic overlay, visual map from sapling, orchard, packhouse, export, retail to consumer table.
It is so sweet.
Yes, the mangoes arrived fresh today.
We should buy these again.
Holiday export rush. Packing house working overtime to meet increased demand for mango exports.
Cold storage energy efficiency upgrade. Solar-powered warehouse, storing mango pallets sustainably.
The storm is almost here. Move faster!
Bring the tops. Secure the harvest.
Export milestone. First container of this season's mangoes sealed and sent overseas. Staff celebration.
Wholesale to retail repack. Large crates broken down into small consumer punnets ready for supermarkets.
Look at this color. Wow. That is unbelievably sweet, guys. Definitely the freshest mango I've had all year. A solid 10 out of 10.
From the blender to this beautiful parfait, mango is so versatile. Enjoy.
Traceability transparency. QR code on retail pack lets buyer trace origin, harvest date, and supply chain info.
Supply chain compared the fresh export mango versus the local store mango. Now for the taste and texture reveal after 7 days.
Crisis-proof logistics. Cold chain backup power in warehouse ensures mango quality during power outage test.
Our human-centered approach ensures fair wages, excellent protective gear, and good conditions, making our mango farms. We are committed to sustainability, utilizing advanced irrigation and renewable energy across
Export versus local market mango packaging. Differences between export crates and domestic retail packs shown.
Processing surplus mango. converting imperfect fruit into dried mango or canned mango products to reduce waste.
The global demand trend shows a sharp increase. Exports are up 20%, reaching new peaks in markets worldwide. Export container journey time-lapse, tracking a shipment from farm country to overseas store shelf in minutes. Cold room stacking heat map. Visualize airflow and storage layout to maintain mango quality in bulk storage.
The trading pressure.
The cold chain shipment remained fresh, but without temperature control. The ambient mangoes quickly showed signs of rot and decay.
Look at the color on this one.
It's true. These trees have been in our family for over 100 years.
Strict sanitary protocols begin with fumigation. The fruit is then packed to international standards.
Hand-picked for perfection. Experience the vibrant flavor of tropical gold mangoes.
We have a temperature deviation on the Asia-Pacific route. I need a status check on the refrigeration unit now.
The soil and pesticide tests meet all organic standards.
That's wonderful news. We've worked hard for this.
Climate-adapted farming clay, shade nets, irrigation scheduling, and soil management to cope with extreme weather for mango orchards.
Cold chain delay management, contingency plans when shipments delayed, quick recooling, and quality audits for mango shipment.
This is the best mango I've ever tasted.
Absolutely delicious. You have to try these.
5 out of 5 stars, easily.
Welcome to the night shift. These mangoes are being packed for overnight export, so careful handling is crucial.
Heat resistance test for crates. Simulate tropical climate storage before export. Ensure packaging can withstand temperature and humidity stress.
Thanks to fair trade, these mangoes support the entire community, ensuring fair wages and funding vital infrastructure like this new school.
From cultivation and harvest to meticulous washing and sorting, every step ensures premium quality.
The contrast is clear. While local retail accepts varied sizes, export markets
Food safety inspection too. Lab testing of random mango batches for residues and pathogens before export clearance.
Grown with pride, handled with care, shared with joy. The journey of a single mango connects us all across the globe.
Packaging Waste Reduction Initiative, reusable crates, and minimal plastic for sustainable mango export.
This supply chain milestone documentary maps the first decade of incredible mango export growth from our orchards to global markets.
Look how beautiful these are. I can't believe it. Wow. It's so sweet and juicy. This is absolutely amazing.
Holiday Packaging Special Edition. Festive decorated mango gift boxes for holiday exports.
These look perfect, ripe and sweet. Good, let's get them displayed before the crowd arrives.
This is the sweetest one we have today.
It looks perfect, thank you. Thank you.
We have others right here, sir.
Cold chain export failsafe plan, the cooling, backup generators, rapid recooling, and QC steps if power outages occur.
From our hands to your home, a journey of dedication.
It tastes like sunshine.